Nandito kami ngayon sa Grand Cafe. Ito yan. Grand Cafe. Dumating na yung mga order namin. Tikman natin. Sana
Roast duck over rice.
roast duck over rice.
And chicken over rice.
Hainan chicken over rice.
And fried combination.
Combination pan fried. Yun. Ginger, garlic, and parang oil siya. Oil
Fried
yun.
ginger.
Hindi siya butter na.
No, it's an oil.
Malamig yung chicken niya. Suserve siya malamig. Kasi meron siyang gulay. Yung rice niya parang malagkit. Tapos meron siya itong sausawan. Garlic, ginger, tsaka oil. Try natin. Sarap. May tsaa pa tayo. Cheers. Ito naman yung roast duck nila. Mainit naman siya. Sinserve siya mainit. Sarap naman yung roast duck nila. Sarap.
Butter.
Lumalasa, crispy yung balat niya. Tapos malambot yung ano. May isang sausawan dito. Tapos yung sweet and sour na lechon sauce. Sarap. Ito pan fried. Crispy noodles. Combination to, namin yung sahog. So, seafood tsaka meat. Pork, beef. Wow.
Really good.
Wow talaga. Sarap. Yung noodles na yan. Tignan natin.
And there's big serving.
Nilaki ng serving. Malasa. Ito yung crispy na noodles na. Wow. So, may pork siya, may seafood, may gulay, may beef, may chicken, mushroom. Wow.